First of all, anybody who was speaking from our behalf was representing the entire team. And a lot of times when actors come in the forefront, the issue gets skirted, you know, because the focus becomes about some one word that the actor said or some one line that the actor said. And so it was a team decision for certain individuals who will be able to represent this issue the best. I think me and Alia are still new to this whole censorship issue. There are a lot more people who've had to deal with it for a longer period of time. And there were people who were far more experienced and probably had to go through this struggle many times before. And they were a lot more evolved. Having said that, Mr. Kashyap has just arrived. They were a lot more evolved and had a much larger understanding of this issue. So we chose to do it in a way which would be as balanced as possible. And I think the representation was not from a point of view of what will get more headlines, but it was who will speak better and who will represent the film better. And I think I have to thank Anurag for doing that and really taking it upon himself at a time when he has a film releasing, I think just 1 week after Udta Punjab, Raman Raghav. And it's a very busy time for a filmmaker. And I think it was very, very selfless on his part. And I want to remind people about the fact that, 1 month before the release of a film is an unbelievably tiring, stressful, scary time for the entire team. People are running from one end to another just to get the film ready in time, to book your theaters in time, to make sure that your mixing happens, to make sure that your dubbing is done, to make sure that your promos are running in time, to make sure that you're being able to promote the film correctly. People are aware of it. And at such a time to deal with this kind of a situation is extremely difficult. And we really couldn't have done it without the kind of absolute relentlessness that Anurag put towards the cause, and he really took it upon himself, and everybody else probably was able to go out there and do what they needed to do because of him. Having said that, I think जी मुझे ये ज़रूर लगता है कि जो भी चाहता था कि फिल्म रिलीज़ ना हो, जो भी लोग थे, they've actually helped the film become larger than it was originally. So I don't think it has served the purpose. On the other hand, we were very scared till 2 days back whether this film will release at all. You also go through a process of self-introspection. You ask yourself, did I do something wrong? Was there something that was not right? Then you go back to asking yourself that we have the right to express ourselves, and I didn't write this film. I didn't even know there was such a problem. But when I heard the script, I felt worried. I felt worried for my brother, I felt worried for my family, I felt worried for the youth at general. If this is an issue that can strike them, then an honest film about that should be made. A film that doesn't try and color it nice and pink and blue and green and yellow, which is what we do most of the times as actors. We try and show people the beautiful side of life. But if we only keep staring at the beauty, we will forget the issues that can lie in front of us, which we have to fight. Real life is very different. And here was a film that was talking about a very real issue, which is an issue for everybody. I don't think it's an issue for any particular area or set of people. It's a general issue, but every film has to be based against some backdrop. And here was a film which was honestly trying to express itself and say, listen guys, this is a problem. These are the people who are suffering from it. See what happens to them. Don't become one of them. Fight it. And I felt there was a lot of honesty and sincerity in the way Abhishek was wanting to make the film, and that's the only reason I would do it. Why else would I be a part of a film which would be considered dark, which would be considered, we don't know what kind of people want to see it. We know films about drugs have not been made in India very often. I mean, internationally you have films like Dallas Buyers Club, which are winning Oscars. Or even The Wolf of Wall Street, for that matter, had extensive use of drugs, and it wasn't even a film that was saying don't do drugs. But Leonardo DiCaprio and Martin Scorsese are probably, it was a feather in their cap. So I never saw an issue, and when I saw things go the way that they did, I really asked myself, and you feel that you want to do something that is beneficial. You don't ever want to do something that's detrimental. And I felt that this was a film that will be beneficial in creating awareness, and you cannot create awareness unless you speak the truth. If you sugarcoat things, then you're not going to be able to let somebody... It's like when you go to a doctor, and you have an illness. And if he tells you only 20% of what's wrong with you, you won't take it seriously. It's the same thing. If there's a problem that lies within society, you have to speak about it honestly. Only then will the society be aware of the seriousness of the issue. And I felt this film was doing that. So from the beginning till the end, I've always said that the larger cause of this film is telling people that drugs are not good for you. And I think that cause of the film is larger than everything else, and that's why I did this film. I hope people see this film. I'm happy that there is more curiosity for this film. There will be a lot of films that I'll do in my career which will do big numbers and small numbers and hits and flops. But very few films that will give me the opportunity to participate in something that could help people or create awareness in a positive light. And I'm just happy I'm a part of a film like that. And I'm really happy and relieved. That's a word that Abhishek used yesterday when I saw him on the news. And I so connected with that word. Because that was the feeling that I was feeling. You know, they asked him, are you happy? And he said, you know, happiness is devoid of any conflict. But I know I'm relieved. And I can say the same. I feel relieved that the High Court has passed the film. And that the people of the country will get to see a product that we all felt was a product that should have been put out there. You see us sitting out here 3 days before the release after all that we've been through supporting the film. Doesn't that speak for itself? Yeah. Another thing that I want to say is that stop judging films and characters after seeing a 1-minute promo. It's a 2.5-hour film, maybe 2 hours, 20 minutes. If you feel there's any credibility in any of the people sitting out here, even 1%, have the discretion to wait till you view the film before passing judgment or creating controversy. Isn't it the same thing that has been happening with this film so far? All the controversy has been created without the film even being viewed. Please see this film. There are some sensible people sitting out here who must have thought something adequate. Our images, our names are at stake. Why would we do that to ourselves, if not to you guys? You know, give some credit to this girl sitting out here who is known to be this beautiful, desirable, lovely heroine, youth icon who probably has 20 endorsements, who has the courage to go and play the character of a drug addict. Why is she doing that to her image? Because there's some substance within her which is making her feel responsible enough to pick a role that's not just about her looking pretty and desirable, but it's a role which is real and which talks about issues that necessarily we don't suffer, but we believe they need to be spoken about. The journey of the character that she plays is probably one of the toughest journeys I have seen of any character in a Hindi film. It's extremely brave, very wise and evolved of her to take the role up. So please see the film before only limiting it to one word or one category. Please view the film. The purpose of the film is humane. And I think that's above any type of, divide that we try to create. Why are we looking at creating divides to find controversy? Are you not Indian? Are you not young? Is drugs not a problem for you? Why do you view yourself in that category? Just go and view the film as a normal human being and see if it's trying to say something good. And then we'd be happy to talk to you about any issues that you might have. There's two sides to what you're saying. Yes, on one hand, when Matthew McConaughey won the Best Actor for Dallas Buyers Club, the word Dallas, which is an area, was mentioned in that film. And nobody said that, oh, you're trying to say that, AIDS is only there in Dallas. So I think that kind of evolved point of view is required. Having said that, I feel extremely fortunate that we're sitting here today, 3 days away from the film releasing, in a country where we can express ourselves. And yes, it is something that needs to be fought for sometimes, but it's there. So I feel very proud of our country. I feel very proud of our judiciary. And I feel very, very fortunate to be in a country where I can attempt it. And I think everybody has a right to go out there and question. And maybe a certain amount of, like what Anurag was saying, that some kind of protection. When you're going to an authority and they're giving you, and they're passing the film, beyond that, I think some discretion should be there, because otherwise it just becomes a frustrating, tiring process. And if we want cinema to evolve, then we have to allow the freedom of expression. We have to, allow people to say what they need to say, creative people. Otherwise, they feel stifled.